Now this tool has new features. The first is the pin bar. The pin bar position option works even after you restart Photoshop. You no longer need to reapply the pin. You'll also see new buttons and options when masking and cropping, including a generative expansion feature that we'll cover later.
My name is Vadim, and this video I'm going to show you the top 5 updates in Adobe Photoshop 2024. Check if you have time to like it and subscribe to the channel if you're learning something new.
Adobe has upgraded the removal tool. Now you don't have to select objects entirely to remove them. Just select an object along the outline, and Photoshop will calculate the distance and fill in the free space to automatically delete what you don't need. Now you can do it much easier and very, very fast.
The two features I've shown are available in the 2024 version of Photoshop. Specifically, the version number is 25.0.
The next new feature is Lens Blur. Go to Filter and click Raw Filter. You will see a new panel called Lens Blur. It allows you to create a realistic optical blur for your photo. It can be done by clicking Apply to the right of your photo. You can adjust the blur by using the Blur Level slider. To choose the type of blur, click on these options, and you can also use the boost slider to control the intensity of this effect. When you trigger this effect, Photoshop adjusts the blur settings automatically using artificial intelligence with object recognition. This is indicated by this icon. You can also adjust the focal range yourself by turning on this button and by clicking or dragging it on the photo. The focal ranger field adjusts the objects that are in and out of focus. If you make the field wider, you will have more areas in focus, but if you make it smaller, you will get more blurred areas. The focus range field shows two colors, yellow and blue. They indicate the near and far focal ranges. To see these colors in your image, click on Visualize Depth. Everything you see in the foreground is yellow, and everything in the background is blue. When you adjust the range, everything that appears in white is in focus and has no blur.
Another generative AI features in Adobe Photoshop 2024 is Generative Expand.
It's located in the toolbar. Click on the crop tool. After that, you will need to select Generative Expand in the Options panel. Now when you use the crop tool and resize the image, artificial intelligence will automatically fill in the empty space in the transparent area. Photoshop 2024 is the first version of Photoshop where artificial intelligence technology has left beta and is available for commercial use. The Generative Fill tool allows you to create a selection in your image and use a text description to generate a fill for your area in over 100 languages. Photoshop will automatically recognize the content of your image and do its best to match the lighting, perspective, and depth of your image. The result is placed in a new Generative Fill layer. In the Properties panel, you can see the variability of your fill to choose the option that suits you best. If you wish, you can change the result to what you want to see. Write a new prompt and create something completely different. The Properties panel stores your entire generation history. When you select the first option, you will see the prompt you used to get this result.
Generative Fill works on all types of image, even on illustration and drawings. Thank you for watching. This has been vadymdesigner. If you haven't done so, please like and leave a 7 words comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day!